One dental treatment word that many people hear about, get confused, and many people get scared of is root canal treatment. Hi, I'm Dr. Ravi from Care Dental, Chandanagar. Today I will explain what a root canal treatment is, when it is needed, how it is done, and how this treatment helps to save your natural tooth. So before going to hear about the root canal treatment, first we need to have a minimum idea about the structure of a natural tooth. Inside every tooth there is a soft tissue called dental pulp. Here you can see. So this dental pulp, it is formed by the combination of connective tissues, nerves, as well as blood vessels. So the pulp which is formed by these three combinations, it is in general a very sensitive part. So whenever a deep cavity reaches the pulp, or whenever a tooth gets fractured, or an injury happens to a tooth, or repeated dental procedures happen, so the tooth nerve will get disturbed and it causes severe pain. In general, this is the main problem that many people suffer from. Apart from this, what are the conditions you may require a root canal treatment? If you face severe tooth pain while chewing, face severe sensitivity while taking hot and cold foods, or swelling in the gums, pimple-like swelling near the tooth, any tooth discoloration or tooth darkening, if suppose the deep cavities reaches the pulp. But sometimes, surprisingly, there won't be any pain, but the infection progresses inside the tooth as well as the bone, and suddenly it may lead to the swelling. So before a root canal treatment is done, so it should be assessed by taking the dental x-ray. Let's see the procedure step by step. A case walk-ins to our clinic complaining that I am suffering from the toothache. So the dentist will examine the tooth and he will check whether any cavity is there or whether any wear and tear of the tooth is happened, and later if there is any infection to the tooth, he will take an x-ray and will confirm regarding the deep cavity or the tooth infection, and explains the patient that, sir, you are having a tooth cavity that had reached the pulp of the tooth, which is causing the severe pain, so it needs a root canal treatment. Step 2. So whenever the patient says, I am okay with the treatment, so the root canal treatment is started by giving a local anesthesia at the tooth region, so that patient will not feel any pain. He will be in a comfort mode. The step 3. So after the anesthesia effect rises, so dentist starts the treatment first by drilling tooth surface and removing the cavity that is formed for access of the pulp of the tooth. He starts cleaning the pulp with the hand files. So here you can see this tooth. There is a deep cavity that was involved in the pulp. In the root canal procedure, we will clean the infected nerve of the teeth, that is pulp. Okay. So the initial step will be like we'll be taking a sharp pin files. You can see these are called files. So these pin-like files are placed in the canals like this. The file will reach till the apex, the end of the tooth root, that can be assessed by the dental x-ray. So after placing the file, so later we will start the cleaning of this pulp like this with hand by giving up and down motion. With this procedure, canals of the tooth root will be narrower whenever there is an infection in the tooth. So to clean up pulp of the tooth, so initially we start with this file. So after finishing this file, so this will be like a color coded. So this will be a violet, yellow. So like this, the size of the file varies. So these are called initial hand files. After finishing the initial hand files, for every step we will irrigate the canal with the saline, so that the debris which is formed in the root will come out. After finishing with the hand files, later put a sodium hypochlorite solution or a saline in the cavity, and later the sodium hypochlorite will be activated with the ultrasonic vibrator. Here you can see the sound. So this ultrasonic vibrator will be placed in the canal like this. A liquid must be there in the canal. So with the vibration of this ultrasonic irrigator, the liquid gets contact to all the walls of the surface of the canals, so that the canals will be cleaned very efficiently. This step will be done intermittently for every rotary file. And the next step is shaping of the root canal. So the shaping of the root canals is done by engine driven files. Here you can see the rotary files which are attached to the endomotor. So here I am placing rotary files inside the cavity of the teeth for cleaning purpose. So in previous days we used to do everything as hand filing, but now the technology was involved, so now we can use the endomotor, so that the treatment will be completed in just 45 minutes to 1 hour. Later the canals will be hollow, so to fill that we will use the GP points. These are called the gutta percha, placed inside the root canals by a sealing material, so that we will seal the root apex where the infection will not give any entry from downward or the upwards. Later we will fill the cavity with the tooth color cement. So after finishing the filling, then we will do the shaping of the tooth crown by grinding the teeth structure for cap placement. So this is how a root canal procedure is done. It is just a simple procedure where it takes not more than 1 hour. Some people may have a bitter experience previously where the root canals was done by inexperienced dentists, so that they will have bad experience and tell to 10 people that I have a root canal where it is a very painful procedure. I recommend not to go for the root canal. Better you go for the tooth extraction. So like this, people will spread the false information regarding the root canal. So I think you have understood each and every step in root canal procedure. Some people may require multiple sitting. It is because the infection had reached the root apex followed by a bubble-like infection around the apex of the root. So at that time, root canal should be done, or it can be done in 2 or 3 sittings, because to clear the infection as well as to clear the swelling under the bone. So in this way, the root canal treatment helps you eliminating the infection of the tooth, relieving the pain of the tooth, preserving your natural teeth structure, maintaining proper chewing function, preventing the shift of the neighbor teeth, avoiding the need for costlier procedures like dental implants. With proper root canal treatment and a properly fitted crown, the root canal treated tooth lasts for many years, sometimes even for lifetime. In the next coming video, I will explain what care needs to be taken after the root canal procedure and how much time does it take for a healing after the root canal treatment. So,
if you like this video, press the like button below, write your doubts in the comment section, and please subscribe to our Dentist Ravi channel for more dental videos. Thanks for watching.